Hi, Joe Szynski here with BrainSHARE Coach. And today we're going to talk a little bit about selling and selling with a profit improvement proposal. Now this is all about putting numbers on how your product or service will improve the financial situation of your client. If it can do this, it's an easy sale. If you can't, maybe it's not the right solution for your client. So we're just going to look at maybe an IT company. So let's say they're an IT company, and let's say that if they're going to do it themselves, or it's MyCo. So if they're trying to do it themselves, what's their number of employees, and what's their loaded labor rate, and if something happens, what's the downtime expectation? What's that cost? With MyCo, how fast can you get it up, depending on the program you put together? And you go through all of the situations that can transpire, and you add it up and put together a model that states, okay, if you do it yourself, it's going to cost you this much. If you do it with us, you're going to make this much money. Listen to my words, you're going to make that much money. If this model comes out where it's advantageous to your customer or client, then it's an easy sell for them because it's helping them improve their business or life. That's what sales is all about. So you get stuck or want to help putting one of these together, it's a profit improvement proposal. Every business is slightly different, so I'll sit down and work with you on pulling that together. So thanks, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and have a great day.